This assessment asks us to list the bonds broken and formed in this reaction and to predict the value of delta H, delta S, and delta G. For bonds broken, we are breaking the C1, C2 pi bond, the C3, C4 pi bond, and the C5, C6 pi bond. In terms of bonds being formed, we're forming a C2, C3 pi bond, a C4, C5 sigma bond, and a C6, C1 sigma bond. These are the bonds broken and formed for this reaction. Delta H we would expect to be negative and favorable. The net process here is breaking two pi bonds and forming two sigma bonds. Sigma bonds are more stable than pi bonds, so we would expect this reaction to be favorable in terms of thermodynamics. Delta S we would expect to be negative and unfavorable. This process is going from two molecules to one molecule. That would be a negative delta S and would make the delta S term unfavorable. Delta G then, we would expect it to be negative and favorable because this is a reaction that does occur, but it would depend on temperature since delta H and delta S are opposing each other in this particular example.